Potty Book. Hello, my name is Hannah. I have lots of fun each day. But first, I need my diaper changed so I can go and play. I can eat my breakfast by myself. I can brush my teeth at the sink. I can choose the clothes I want to wear. I really love hot pink. Mommy has a big box. She says it's just for me. Daddy helps me open it. Whatever can it be? Is it a brand new fishbowl? No, it couldn't be. Maybe it's a big boat to sail across the sea. Is it a new rocking chair? Is it a bed for Teddy? Mom says it's my very own potty to use when I'm ready. I look down at my diaper. It seems to fit just right. My diaper's where I pee and poop morning, noon, and night. Mom and Dad use a potty. Maybe I'll try. If I can use my potty, then my pants will stay dry. I sit on my very own potty, and Teddy sits with me. Off goes my diaper when I want to poop or pee. Some days I hurry to the potty. Whoops, I'm too late. Some days I sit and read a book or sing a song as I wait. Uh-oh, I had an accident. My pants are very wet. Mom and Dad say, "That's okay, Hannah. Don't give up yet." Then one morning, I wake up and I whisper to my Teddy, "I'm off to the potty. I think this time I'm ready." Off goes my diaper. Teddy sits on my lap. I wait a bit, I look inside, and then I laugh and I clap. Hooray, I say, I did it. I'm really glad I tried. Mom and Dad are happy, and I feel great inside. Bye-bye, pee. Bye-bye, poop. I say and I wave and cheer. Dad says, "Let's call Grandma. This is news she'll want to hear." It's time to go with Mom and Dad to buy new underwear. Can you guess who gets to choose that very special pair? I'm a big girl now. I can run and jump and play. I don't want to get my wet diaper to get in my way. Want to know a secret? You can do it too. Just march off to the potty like me and Teddy do. I'm off to the potty. No more diapers for me. And I feel great. I am proud of me. The end.